welcome to our wonderful Cell City. I'm going to be giving you a tour. So right here you can see that we are walking on the cytoplasm or the roads of the city. The roads or the cytoplasm support the organelle and holds the organelle in place. Then this way you can see our nucleus. Right here or along this way you can see our nuclear membrane, which is our government walls. And the use of this is just to be the barrier between the nucleus and the cell membrane. Next you can see we're at the nucleolus, and it is our first floor of our government building, and it makes our ribosomes. Of this latter, you will find our nucleus. The nucleus is really in charge of controlling and regulating the cell and everything that goes on inside of it and all the organelles, and it is the storage of genetic codes. The nucleus is actually only found in eukaryotic cells. My apologies. Next you can find our cafe, which is also known as the ribosomes, and this is where all of the protein is made, which is energy for the cell and helps with the genetic code. So we just have a couple people working here in our ribosome worker. Now this way you can find our mitochondria, which is also known as the powerhouse of the cell. And so the mitochondria generates energy for the cell by using proteins that the ribosome creates. So we got our little worker here in the little back house. They make all their energy. And we're going to take a quick little trip down here. And here you can see our train station, which has smooth ER and rough ER. And so the smooth ER is used to synthesize lipids or fats, which is important to the cells. It's kind of like food for the cell. And then the rough ER produces proteins and kind of just makes it so everyone gets their proteins that they need so they can all function properly. So if you follow me back this way, you will find our Golgi apparatus, and it is our factory building where all of the proteins get sent and they get processed and packaged. So you can see all the proteins that are ready to be sent out. We have the daycare, and this is the centrioli, cannot pronounce that one, and it is used for cell division. It is really how we keep making more cells. So you can see our little workers checking on the kid, making sure everyone's safe. And that is really the contents of our city. But if you look on the outside, you will see that we have this lining all the way around the city, and that is the cell membrane. And the cell membrane, like this gate, is a barrier so intruders can't get in, and it is the gatekeepers, or it makes it so only I or other proteins or whatever the cell needs can come in and out, and you can't get other people or other things or other bacteria or anything like that coming in and out of the cell unless it's necessary. So that's our little cell city with all of our workers. Well, this city would not be able to function without the mitochondria, without the Golgi apparatus, or without our cell membrane or our cytoplasm or our ribosomes or our nucleus. Because this is a eukaryotic cell and it needs all of those things to function properly. It's a very cute little city. We got lots of things going on. It's a very amazing place to be, and I hope you enjoyed your stay.